Ever sat down to write something, an essay, a blog, maybe even a caption, and suddenly 2 hours pass and you've got like 3 awkward sentences? Yeah, we've all been there. That's why tools like Jasper AI blew up. But the real question is Jasper still worth it in 2025? Or has it been replaced by newer AI tools? All right, let's get into some real talk. Jasper AI made its name as the best AI writer a couple years ago. Super easy interface, tons of templates for blog posts, ads, emails, you name it. But here's the thing, AI has leveled up. We've now got ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all offering free or cheaper options. So, where does Jasper fit in? On Trustpilot, Jasper still gets solid reviews. People like the polished outputs, especially for marketing copy, but there are also complaints. It's pricey, and some say the free tools out there do almost the same job. Over on Reddit, the vibe is kind of skeptical. Folks say Jasper feels like you're paying for a nice UI slapped on top of what other AI models already do. On the flip side, businesses that need collaboration features still defend it. To make it super clear, here's a quick Excel-style chart of Jasper versus others in 2025. Jasper AI still works, especially if you need those pro marketing features. But if you're just writing casually or freelancing on a budget, you might get the same value from cheaper or even free tools. Don't buy into the best AI writer ever hype without testing alternatives. Try a few, compare them, then decide what makes sense for you. And hey, if you want to see my breakdown of the new AI tools that actually outshine Jasper in 2025, click on the next video. I've got you covered. Let's keep leveling up together.